celebrating
90 years.
Okay.
Why? Ang bagi view sa ulo, di bikin to sa naman ang bagya.
Oh.
Kasi malulumbo.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, I would like to say good morning to each and everyone joining this morning. We love you all.
Right.
Thank you for whatever you've been doing.
Okay.
Not forgetting, this is a team
Alright.
from Navun Ondamu.
Where is that?
From Lutu Wenimbuka, Naitasiri.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Navuni Lolondamu kay Wainro Muaris.
Leo Kamikos there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Drug Detection Agency 7s.
Okay.
And a Serevi Park, Lutu Naitasiri.
Bulamanaka.
Bulamats.
Yeah.
And the captain now is in France.
Who's?
José Raisunge. José Winnie Raisunge.
Right.
And also the co-captain and the coach player
Yeah.
is Leo Kamika.
Yeah.
Is Epanes.
Epanes.
Yeah.
Epaticus.
Epaticus.
Ayawan, belum na leo kami ka may lutu way nimbuka. Ano ni mina tuyan ni nabuko ni baku kwayango.
Right.
And mataken din dai kakapagita litungan ni bukun ni nonra sanga itu na dorbo.
Yeah.
And ang buturara ni rakabi.
Sabi nada from Botoa.
Yes.
Kay Tira Rabanua. Aunton tomo kinakiboto lau. City Benindalay. Wex.
Oi.
Bora turangan ni Natolwa is from Natolwa na Ray.
Right.
And this one too, we doing the mita.
Matagal is true.
Ah?
It's true.
Truce.
Yeah.
And also to this one,
Okay.
to Joseph Alebu motoka ML312.
Okay, good morning.
Ni mana uli na biribir now.
Yeah.
Bro Isaac Waitana
Yeah.
and the family from the Buakaba in Nausori.
Right.
Legacy.
Yeah.
And not forgetting, here's another one, Elonitui.
Yeah.
Oi.
The injection, insetting.
Yeah.
Insetting replacement of mita.
Right.
Aveko Rombua, Tiliva, Naikabaki.
Right.
Settlement Boleka, Tabiraki Squad Boss, Meki,
Okay.
Leti, Buanasita,
Right.
Odrago,
Yeah.
Otis,
Yeah.
Ofiros Khan.
Bulan na ka.
Dabao.
Right.
Ayaw.
Yeah.
Karena bagaimana nan driver ni Stolilo di sama cukup nama tanggo.
Right.
Sorry kordo bagaimana kena pas dia ni di mata binaka.
Ha.
Kasi muli toto ko di ba orang bul mai tarik kemni cura traffic mata ni kuah.
Alright.
Baka kini bagaimana ngori buli bagaimana baka tahu bale.
Yeah.
Maru tang cuma kena baka tang di kata lawan mata ni kuah.
Right. To those tuning in the TikTok.
Yeah.
I'm now on the TikTok page of BTFM.
Okay.
Watching all those who are tuning in this morning. Double tap, guys. Double
Yeah,
tap.
double Iyo eh. YouTube channel.
Yeah, the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And also good morning to you this morning.
Okay.
Kaya daw tu nanda bos ini bento mo di batikir nan dua tinta.
Yes, of course.
Bill Lessenia.
Oh.
Yeah.
Iyo.
Hey, one of us, iso aro so. Wala ka sa mga lalabi. Iso aro so kay Sledger atulala.
Yeah.
Winabale one for us, story for two.
Kan benar. Tapi in ono in the outspalang way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero rearrange ta katala na nagtala no goy.
Right.
My love for you is a journey.
Nanugundo,
Eh, pa lang ta nanu
Okay.
mo pamandiao.
Yeah,
My
in your
love,
own
my
words.
love for you say myself and Mika.
Yeah.
Our love for you is a journey.
Right.
na my love for you too
Yeah.
Pastor.
is a goal.
Sa naman ang balen-balen ni boss kay mga gurungata.
Okay.
Iyo.
Come again?
My love for you is a journey.
We all know that
Yeah.
from one place to another is a journey. You leave a place to love somebody
Right.
is a journey.
Right.
Is you journey to somebody
Yeah.
is a Jonah.
Jenny to Jenny.
Warna chili mo kanay. Okay. Starting forever and ending at never.
Right.
There will be a time
Yeah.
you'll be start.
Yeah.
Everything in this world
Yeah.
will become a starting point
Yeah.
and end with an ending point.
Wanana,
So
wananabu.
you can end
Yeah.
without start.
Right.
Right.
You can only start
Right.
when you end.
Wow!
Hey.
When you end, then you start.
Yeah. Some of us we start before end.
Right.
We got one partner.
Yeah.
When
Yeah.
your partner is end,
Yeah.
we start with a new one.
Who's?
Them.
Okay. You are my answered prayer,
Right.
my fulfilled wish,
Yeah.
my dream come true.
Sometimes we
Yeah.
ashamed to fix one girl.
Right.
Sometimes
Yeah.
we can talk because
Yeah.
of their beauty.
Right.
Right. Okay.
The up above.
Hold on. Why are boys? Why are we boys?
Yeah.
Mandua to talk to the girls because they are beautiful.
Because some of the girls,
Yeah.
they tell the story of us if they reject us.
How come?
Oh, okay.
So nangon ang talay fixan yun, nakikita na lang arta saban na magkita mo na friend.
Tell it to who?
They tell to the friend, ukang ko rin ma-fix na kayo nambong yung game besi. You know, sometimes like that. That's the point.
Right.
We're learning from the mistake because boys, when they get something like that,
Right.
they target someone.
Yeah.
If the target is wrong,
You know.
it's like a sameness. For us.
Hey, we were only once. This
Yeah.
one TikTok follower.
Who?
Only once.
Ah.
He said, Mucho Dola,
Zola.
Viva Wala.
Bila revo.
Sitting in on the TikTok account this
Okay.
morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
And also to Pita Masilada, John
Right.
Kumar, Kamini Boy from Nanda Keke Estate in Madhuata.
Okay.
So, Serayang Baki
Who's?
and Nasinga,
Yeah.
Bill Esenia,
Right.
Bill, from Colombia.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Awu.
Right.
Colombia.
Yeah, Colombia.
Boy.
I have to look for the name, it's gone.
Okay. Alright, anda benak be
Chana dari Koro, ya.
Chana dari Koro.
Right.
Siapa tahu cuma Colombia mata di kuah. Turun mana telah be nomu kai. Rusia te wandali.
Iya,
Masta turang ni kanta bungo.
Santina.
Ni andra ke mu bina baru besar bito kai na mata di kuah. Nanti ke state.
Iya.
Tahu ya andra benak na mata di kuah.
Tamay Makelina and also to the prison officer.
Andra benak.
Iya.
Andra benak. Kiti
Family.
soba di balu.
Right.
Yeah.
Andra benak na Al In Abu Dhabi UAE.
Iya.
Kalau kau orang karabi tabi na mata di kuah. Okay.
Yeah, mate.
A man with this Sela Jaratulala.
Yeah.
A man without a woman is like a gun without a bullet.
A man without a woman is
Yeah.
like a gun without a bullet. Okay. What the talk man na ouch palangi.
We. Yeah.
May, what the talk?
Yeah, it's a true
What?
story. A man without a woman is like a man without a woman
Yeah.
is like a gun without a bullet.
So in other words, like a woman is your bullet.
Yes.
How?
You know that's from the gun.
You're the gun,
Yeah.
and the woman is the bullet.
Yeah, because
How come?
because you talk, they
Yeah.
move.
Right.
You the whole head of the family.
Right,
You know what?
Kung nga tukun ko na turang ya.
Yeah.
So if a man is a head of a family, then
Yeah.
woman is a what?
Yeah.
Siyempre ka, the other neck. Abo na nga ito sa kinanto mo rin kinatangan.
Okay, tunggu.
They control.
Okay, I love you not only for what you are,
Right.
but for what I am
Right.
when I am with you.
Yeah.
See? It's a true story.
Yeah, May.
Don't point.
Yeah.
Love
Yeah.
is only working with two person.
Not three.
Right.
Not three.
Right.
Three is not a lava.
Oi,
It's not a lava.
Yeah. It's the
three
core.
is the game
It's a
changer.
volcano lava.
Okay, alright.
Kata-kata.
Right.
Here, you know?
Very, very hot.
Very, very hot.
Yeah.
Because love
Yeah.
only can determine function
Yeah.
when there is from one
Yeah.
to one.
Right.
Right,
Yeah.
like the head and tail.
Yeah, head and tail. Because you can love only one.
Yeah.
If you love yourself,
Yeah.
you can measure how big love is.
True saranga.
Yeah.
I hope you are
Okay.
like you're talking from experience.
Yeah. Okay. Love is measured by what?
Right.
Iko roni po tampek mutukuna.
Yeah.
Roni po modal tayo.
Love can only measured by feelings.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
Iko
Feelings.
mabunuin nila yung nonton mo.
If you see the eyes, the tears come down,
Yeah.
that's love measured.
Oi.
If you see somebody
Yeah.
bow down
Yeah.
and clap, me bombo,
Yeah.
that's so loves.
Right.
If you see someone
Yeah.
in tears, need help,
Right.
that's love measured.
Plenty tears
Boy,
comes
yes,
out.
sir.
Plenty
Comes out.
tears. What kind of tears is love?
Love is when the tears is dropped without a voice. Silence,
Voiceless.
voiceless.
Right.
Mondore the mendua turtu na wani matana.
Yeah.
Ngandre bandina na loloma.
Yeah.
When somebody is there to fit that love,
Right.
there is a love marrow.
Baka na bone marrow.
Baka na bone marrow. Kaya durilo mana marrow.
yeah.
The marrow is the love.
Bimbi sarang
Kan
ilong.
bimbi iloma. You know,
Catch.
it's very
So-
ta inakoa.
If
Yeah.
you see someone crying in that kind of
You
tears,
too much question. Okay, come.
No, when you see someone crying
Yeah.
in that kind of tears,
Yeah.
and you want to fall in love,
That's broken heart. That should do the carpentry and joinery.
Okay, a successful marriage requires falling in love many times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always with the same person.
right?
Oh.
Tapos mo madal.
That's empty head.
Huh?
That empty head because same principle, same mistake. Same principle, same mistake.
Yeah.
You continue to
But
laugh,
this
to
one is
laugh.
saying, only one lover.
Only one lover, and you keep on mistake. You only can make. You only can make mistake if there is another one there.
Okay.
Say,
Okay, wrong.
Come.
Okay.
Like you.
But yung sa chika ko na sa chisa ng bakasa na ruran lava.
nalaw ko na tunaro na lava. This is the wall of second lava. Nabura-bura ni May Karwadi. Let's go on. Thank you. We love you all.
Okay, another question, last one.
Come.
Do you have the spare part?
Ha?
You have the spare
Kata
part?
manggur na mechanic.
Okay, kona serya.
Okay.
But before tea, what's gonna share?
Yeah. Labis blank.
Tears from my eyes keep on falling. Taba kimembala.
Kena bale ha? Nangono sa
Ni sama chunga, and I was on a love.
come again, Dawood?
Tears from my eyes keeps on falling.
The tears from the eyes keep on falling. If you begging something and does not give to you.
Like what?
Wala itu mo lihat mo mata kasi mberakan yata may nakana itu. Daw de muri ko mo kang trespass. Pinabale bu Punches celebrating 90 years.
Right.
From now on, we call them as Dr. Lava.
Dokter Labang ko rin ang daw special eh.
Betul sasar main TikTok account di BTFM.
Hey!
Itu bola
That's
benaka.
what we call from if two lava is there, that's what we call a door to door.
Adina.
The beauty of a woman must be seen from her eyes,
Yeah.
because that is the doorway to her heart, a place where love.
Goro o amorigo may Amori City may nabuli ko kay Chabani.
Yeah.
O sulia si pati kay Thomas. Pero sar may na TikTok account ni BTFM.
Oh, dumbula.
Double tap guys, double tap.
Kaya kaya doon na rotaro yung balitan na buru-buru ni Pinto mo ni Rulo taman ng rendre.
Yeah.
Rong kay tarba yung dokta.
Right.
Go na.
Nitarmay, I'm here.
Yeah.
Feel free, no condition apply.
Walang simotso natin ni ko. Dorong mo sa natin ko ya. May mbuli ato lang ko sa tunaw.
Siya nga mantunong kay Butuka. Siya nga mantunong kay Butuka. Mel na dele bukai nong binapale mo enta katukan ni Mara usoro nga enta na numatuni enta buli enta katango na bunyo ni lava.
Iya.
Ngo nakanganda ro mata tu so nakanda sta tunong to buli mesi.
Experience.
Ito na nga.
Ako lo lagi. Le binapale mo ni bukan lulutu
Hindi ko primary nga may sa ating experience.
Iya.
Kung ano ko, kung ano sini
Kalau ba wana moka.
Ito nga night, Tiny King,
Namalew.
Seray,
Mes.
isa maramanita.
Right.
Na naman ni bola na kay lilingay na naman ni room.
Right, din sara.
Iyo, di mo sota.
Iya.
Ndruwa matawango
Iyo.
na hehe seven stalinga.
Doon
Right.
naman na, we have 7 all teams who will be participating in the Heavy Sevens. Alright, the two brothers will be there.
Who's?
Mike
Oi.
and the Skid.
Iya.
Oh, that's good. No, both of them is good.
Yar meskin. Ana rokebu sobaki mbole benaka tau.
Right.
Poni bina do bingarabi be Rosa Lini.
Iyo.
Iya, mbole benaka. Indo ngana bunwai, there's only one doctor.
Yeah.
No other doctor.
Iya.
Turang ka tau feeling ante kila kemba.
Bulu nak, bulu
Saya
nak.
besar cukup main lak kemba.
Oh,
Iya.
malo to.
Malo.
Besar ratu tau.
Malo.
Iya.
Cii.
Pokoknya tak nomor hat lagi betul nomor share sama Tony kuah. Pokoknya dia bilang kan World Radio Day na sini mataka.
Right.
Ini mulai boleh lihat misal Sarah.
Iyo.
Happens
Happen
in
sini mataka namay sarsar, namay
Iya.
sarsar, namay sota.
Right.
Gua kurmundu.
Yau, Mika, ngalong bula.
Gonde misil, ndangay siya